everybody, Sakanya here. Today we're going to be taking a look at this problem, which is find a vector of magnitude 5 that is parallel to this given vector, which is 2i hat minus j hat. So feel free to pause this video, give this problem a go, but I'm going to go over the solution right now. So the first step to this solution is finding the unit vector. And the second step of the solution is multiplying that unit vector by 5, because we know we want the magnitude of our final vector is going to be 5, right? That's what the question asking us for. Find a vector of magnitude 5. So we're just going to multiply the unit vector, which has a magnitude of 1 always, and multiply that by 5, and that is just going to give us our answer. So the main part of this is just finding that unit vector. And in order to find that unit vector, we actually have a neat formula, which is this formula right over here. A unit vector parallel to another vector, a vector, is a prime vector is equal to a vector over the magnitude of a vector. So let's clear a few things out first. We're going to assume that our a vector is going to be this, because that is what we are trying to find a vector parallel to. So our a prime vector is going to be our a vector, which is going to be that 2i minus j. So in order to find the magnitude of a vector, we're just going to take the x component, which is 2 right over here, so 2, and we're going to square that, plus the y component, which in this case is -1, and we're going to square that, and we're going to get square root 5. So that is the magnitude of vector A, so that's going to go down here. And this is our unit vector that is parallel to this vector right here. But that's not all this question is asking. This question is asking the vector should be parallel, but it should also have a magnitude of 5. And that's where our second step comes in, where we just multiply this entire unit vector by 5 so that it will have a magnitude of 5. So we're just going to multiply it by 5, and we're going to get this as our final answer after you rationalize.